Nose hair is a very natural thing, but an overgrowth of nose hair is usually something we all really want to avoid, because it's never visually appealing to see those strands of hair peeping out from inside your nose. That's when keeping one of the best nose hair trimmers lets you get rid of that unwanted hair without causing much hurt or pain. While finding a nose hair trimmer, you should choose the one that gives you a comfortable cut, and it is crucial for anyone who regularly grooms their nose hair, because the last thing you want while trying to remove unsightly nose hairs is an unnecessary hassle on top of the job. So, if you're confused with the number of options that are available, we have brought you some of the most popular nose hair trimmers that you can use right away. But before we jump into the list, let us know more details about nose hair trimmers.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users, so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
How to use a nose hair trimmer. Just like any other tool, we need to understand how we should use a trimmer properly for our own safety and obviously so that we get the best results. To be honest, trimming nose hair is simple, but we do not do it as much as the men practice it. First of all, unwrap the kit. Then once your trimmer is firmly up there, you need to twist your device either to the left or right to trim the offending hair you can see. Then do the same for the other side of your nose. Now that you know how to use a nose hair trimmer, let's jump into the product recommendations. SUPRENT Nose and Ear Hair Trimmer NH515BX is an excellent super sharp nose trimmer. It comes with a mute ring design which keeps the sound as low as 40 decibels. The trimmer also has dual-edged blade technology with a 6500 PRM powerful motor. This advanced technology ensures that you can precisely remove your nose hairs without pulling your hair. It will cut in a painless way, which gives you a safer trimming. The nose trimmer has an IPX7 waterproof rating, which allows you to wash the trimmer under running water. Moreover, the trimmer is made up of ABS injection-colored mirror all over the body, which gives it an elegant vibe. SUPRENT Nose and Ear Hair Trimmer NH515BX has rechargeable USB cable and Li-ion battery. The device also comes with an unlimited using button made of silicone, which makes it more convenient. The Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 3000 is an efficient trimmer that gently removes your unwanted nose, ear, and eyebrow hairs. It has a revolutionary Protect Tube technology. With the help of this revolutionary technology, the cutter is protected by an ultra-thin foil guard which has rounded tips to prevent your skin irritations. Moreover, it's designed in a way so that no hair gets caught between two separate moving and cutting blades, which also ensures no pulling. The trimmer also allows your nose and ear hairs to get ultra-precise and sharp cut. Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 3000 has a soft-touch rubber grip which gives it the best hold, even when the trimmer is wet, for better control when you operate the trimmer. Your search for a high-quality trimmer is bound to end with a ToiletTree nose hair trimmer with LED light. It has an ergonomic design with a rubber texture finish which ensures a secure and comfortable grip. The trimmer is water-resistant, so you can use it in the shower, and cleanup is also easy. Just after you unbox the trimmer, you will feel the difference in quality of the trimmer. There's a super bright LED light which is a huge help when you are trying to find those pesky little hairs. There's also a rotary cutting system in the trimmer which allows your hair to enter the trimmer from the tip and from the sides. This cutting system is best for stray hairs, not only for the nose but also in your eyebrows and ears. The stainless steel blades provide smooth and clean cuts, so you will never have a painful pulling of your hairs. ToiletTree Nose Hair Trimmer with LED light operates on 2 AA battery, which makes the trimmer affordable. Conair Ladies Lithium-Ion Personal Trimmer is an all-in-one trimmer. It gives you a smooth result all over. This personal trimmer comes with 2 eyebrow shaping combs for precise facial trimming. It also has the nose and ear attachment. The trimmer is designed in a way so that it can serve all your hairy problems with just one device. And it easily reaches areas that are hard to reach. Conair Ladies Lithium-Ion Personal Trimmer is cordless and works on a lithium-ion battery. The lithium-ion battery is included with the trimmer. Our top pick for today is the Panasonic Ear and Nose Hair Trimmer GN30K Wet and Dry, which is a fashionable nose and ear hair trimmer that features a dual blade design. This unique hair trimmer uses curved, hypoallergenic stainless steel blades that match the contour of your nostrils. The premium features allow you to trim your nose hair safely and precisely without pulling them. Now the GN30K has a wet and dry feature that allows you to use the trimmer both in a dry environment or in the shower. For your cleaning convenience, this trimmer has a vortex cleaning system that draws in faucet water from all sides and spins the water, so you will get a clean trimmer in seconds. This Panasonic ear and nose hair trimmer powers itself with 1 AA size battery, and inside the packaging, you will get a nose clipper cap and a cleaning brush. So these are 5 of the best nose trimmers that you can buy for yourself to get rid of your nose hair. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. If you find our videos useful, be sure to subscribe and press that notification bell for more updates in the future.